For me personally, the Chairs in Emerging Technology scheme has been a wonderful opportunity to engage in a long-term programme of research on technologies which we believe will be essential for the future development of the space sector. Vast amounts of data are now coming from spacecraft, which help us to better understand climate change and sustainability for the future, using satellites for telecommunications, for networking the world together, and also using satellites for navigation. The goal of the Royal Academy of Engineering Chair in Emerging Technologies is to explore space technologies at extremes of length scale. So at the microscale, we're developing centimetre scale femto satellites. We could then launch swarms of hundreds or perhaps thousands of these devices networked together. That would then give us a new way of measuring the space environment or new ways of observing the Earth. At the macro scale, we're developing technology to build ultra-large structures in space. These could be used, for example, to fabricate ultra-large communications antenna for high-bandwidth communications for the future. This is a very exciting time for the space sector in the UK. We have commercial space companies building satellites, and also we have the development of satellite launch facilities in the north of Scotland, bringing all of these capabilities together.
We all know that the UK government set very serious ambitions to get to net zero by 2050. This means that we need to accelerate the way in which we do research and commercialization of these emerging technologies. And this is exactly where my fellowship from the Royal Academy of Engineering comes in. Where sodium-ion batteries can have a real advantage is because they enable grid storage. So sodium is the ideal solution to store electricity from renewable intermittent resources. Another advantage is that they can be much faster charged. So potentially they can be a clean solution for electrification of transportation. The Royal Academy of Engineering has enabled me to focus on actually achieving impact. It kind of gave me a different mindset, saying this is important and in the next 10 years I need to do that. And another great help was that through funding fully my salary for the next 10 years, my department has decided to hire a postdoc that helps me in commercialization technologies. The Royal Academy of Engineering has helped me enormously because sustainability really moved from something that would be nice to do to something that we must do now, and we must do it for the future generation. So this is crucial.